If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Compass Limited in white clear coat. With BI-XENON headlamps with LED signature, satin granite fog lamp bezels, 19-inch satin granite aluminum wheels, satin granite exterior accents, black side roof rails, LED lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, an 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, second row remote USB port, tungsten accent stitching, safety and security group, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5478.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.